Hi everyone! While our client is setting up brand new vehicles, this client of mine is going old school. It's a Toyota Fortuner 2005 model. Here's it. Client wants a very clean build. So we remove the old tint and we replace it to be a film Clear Max series on all sides, side and front. This clear tint is a 99.2% heat rejection and 100% in UV protection guarantee. The shade of the tint is a little bit of bluish, as you can see, side. For the interior on this vehicle, we replace also the stock head unit to Pioneer 2DIN with DVD. And for the seat cover, for a clean, we use white corduroy. This is most you can find often from brand new car release. This is the seat cover they're giving to you. But we custom fitted it very fit, not loose, as you can see also on the second row and also going to the third row. And also we replaced the shift knob to real carbon fiber. The side is leather, while the middle is carbon. Okay, for the suspension on this unit, the client wants a smoother ride. As you all know, the Toyota Fortuner suspension is not good enough. So we replace it to Tane Enduro Pro Plus suspension. The color is green. This is on stock height. Is adjustable, 16 ways guarantee. As you can see, guys, oh, even the plate, very nice. 777. Lastly, my client fell in love with the Modron GRX wheels made by Aim Game. So, here is it. This is on 18-inch. You have an option, chrome center cap or the black center cap. And it's available also on matte color, matte black, bronze, gloss black. And this is the SBC color. This is their limited colorway. This color. Good choice, the owner of this one. And for the tire we're using on this one, we're using the Toyo tires. Open Country RT. Very JDM look. As you can see, the stance. Even from the fender, perfect fit. Simplicity is the best. Clear tint, white seat cover, perfect wheels and tires, and good suspension, equivalent, perfect. If you like how we built here, feel free to message me. And please follow and subscribe and like, my YouTube channel, PRS Car Accessories and Services. See you here, everyone. Stay safe always. Bye!